Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to customize your homepage in D2L. We are going to begin by going up to the top of the page and selecting Course Admin from the navigation bar. Then we're going to select Home Pages from the list of tools. Once we select Home Pages, the next steps are very specific. We want to go to Course Homepage and select the down arrow, then select Copy to make a copy of the course homepage. That is what we're going to be able to edit. Then we're going to click on the hyperlink that's entitled Course Homepage Dash Copy. Now let's rename this homepage something specific. So I'm going to rename it my last name underscore homepage. I'm going to enter a description if I want to, and then I'm going to change the properties. So I'm going to leave it as widget based, and I'm going to go ahead and include the homepage header, and I'm going to put the title that I'd like to be included in the header. Then I'm going to change the layout and make sure that the layout is basic. Once I select the layout that I want, I'm going to go ahead and select Update, and that is going to save the changes to my layout. Then I'm going to edit how my widgets are going to look on my home page. So I'm going to edit the left side of my screen first and click Add Widgets and make sure that the News widget is on the left side of my screen and then click Add. And then I want to make sure that the Updates widget is on the right side of my screen. So I would make sure that that's selected and any widgets that I wish to add here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add. I'm going to go ahead and click on the updates and move it to the top of my widget list. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove calendar from the list of widgets on my home page. Once I've done all that, I'm going to click Save and Close. Now I want to make sure that my customized homepage is my active homepage. So I'm going to go under Active Home Pages, and I'm going to change it from default to Prince Homepage and click Apply. To double check, I'm going to go back up to the top of the navigation bar, click on Home, and there I see that my customized homepage is indeed my active homepage.